5 reasons why the Coolife Suitcase Set has been my go-to travel companion since I got it last year. Number 1 is a TSA-approved lock. The mounted TSA-approved lock gives me peace of mind knowing my belongings are secured during my travels. Plus, the fully lined interior with organization pockets keeps everything neat and easy to find. Number 2 is the 360-degree spinner wheels. With 4 multi-directional spinner wheels, this suitcase moves at my pace and glides smoothly in any direction. Traveling has never been so easy. Number 3 is because this is crafted from ABS, it's not only durable but also lightweight, making it super easy to carry around without compromising on strength. It's built to last through all of my adventures, whether I check the bag or bring it as a carry-on. Number 4 is I love that this set includes a 20-inch luggage, a travel duffel bag, and a toiletry bag. The back sleeves on the duffel make it easy to attach them to the luggage, and I attach my toiletry bag to my duffel bag. Number 5, what really sets this luggage apart is the sustainability focus. It's made with at least 50% recycled materials and safer chemicals, so I can feel good about my choice knowing it potentially could be better for the environment as well as an awesome luggage system for myself.